Today you meet my friend Furby. Hello guys, I want to present you my little Furby. Hey Furby,
Yeah?
talk with my friends please. Furby,
Me. Big. Happy.
yes, and we are very happy to meet you Furby.
Where? Furby. Baby.
Yes Furby. Furby? Hey Furby. Furby,
Yeah?
sing a song, please.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how me wonder what you are. Up above me, home so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how me wonder what you are.
Oh, thank you, Furby. Very nice, Furby. Thank you very much. You are my little Furby. Furby? Tell me a story. Furby?
Yeah?
Tell me a story, please. Tam tam tim tam 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 ta ri ri ra 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 ra. Furby,
Huh?
are you happy?
Wow! Me very, very hungry.
Oh, you are hungry, but you are not happy? Normal. You are not happy when you are hungry. I understand now, Furby. I have a little work to do. Can you sing a song, please, for me? Furby?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Kenya.
Who's Kenya?
Kenya.
Kenya's who?
Can you dance like this? Do 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 do.
You are going to dance now, Furby? Furby,
What?
can you dance for me?
Okay. You come when me say green light. You stop when me say red light. You tickle me when me eyes are closed. You grin. You tickle me when me eyes are open. Me win. You tickle too hard. Me win. Okay, you go away 10 steps.
Yes.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Here we go.
I'm trying to rearrange the studio, Furby.
Red
for watching. Subscribe to my channel.